going on? Today's episode, we are replacing the alternator. First, gonna disconnect the battery cable, take the tension off the belt. See how this spring look like it's kind of got a spring to it? Just take one of them off. Taking it off just the alternator, we ain't got to worry too much about figuring out how to put the whole belt on there. That's gonna be a 14mm. Yo, AC line out the way, not disconnected, but so you have clearance for that bolt.
The light.
Once you get them two 14s, one up top, one at the bottom, you just pry it off.
Like theirs.
Chin 2. Just like that.